We have another big trip planned with Sean, the Story Tell Now, and some others. But for right now, the Unwinder needs some upgrades. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Teddy, you look lighter. And you'd be right. Ever since Auxbeam sent me some lights, the future's looking a little brighter. Auxbeam was kind enough to send over 2 driving lights, as well as 2 pod lights. We're gonna get these installed. I already have it mocked up. Let's get it done. This is sort of where it's gonna sit. I gotta start drilling, start getting these wires in. We don't have a lot of time. We're gonna be leaving in about a week, and I gotta get the Unwinder prepared. There's a few other upgrades I'll be doing to it, so stick around, subscribe, so that you can see what we need for these bigger trips.
I thought the driving lights would look perfect mounted on my Evo 1/4 pounder bumper. After some quick measurements to make sure I cleared the frame with the bolt, I started drilling and mounted them as far back as possible.
Got the lights installed, now we just got to do the wiring. With the Jeep, it should be nice and easy. I got the auxiliary switches that go under the hood, as well as the power and negative cables are right there. So this should be fairly simple. I don't know what to do with all the extra wire though. I think I'm just gonna bunch it up, zip tie them for now, because who knows? I might change my mind of where I want these things. I'm gonna need a chair. But it looks like we got some power cables right here. Auxiliary is right here. So this should be real easy. I hit auxiliary 1 and they turn on. So let me show you what I did. This is not a permanent thing. I just ran the wires from the battery here. The relay is still not put in. I took all the extra wires and I just shoved them in here. Now the reason why I did that is because Auxbeam also makes a 8-channel control module. I do want to get that in the future, and I'm not quite sure how it's all going to tie into this. So I want to leave it, you know, sort of easy to take out. The lights themselves, they're mounted in, they're solid. I left the bolts a little loose because come tonight, I'm going to adjust them properly. It's not the best job. I'm sure I could hide it a little bit better. Comes out the bottom here, but then to the light. And then this one, I ran it the same way. I'm just gonna get this, tuck it up underneath, zap strap it. So I gotta get the pods put in. I'm gonna mount them basically where everybody else mounts them, right in front of that pillar. I gotta get some mounting hardware. I'm gonna go visit my friends at Epic Adventure Outfitters. Let's go. Scout. Up, up. Atta boy. All right, I need some spacers to get these pod lights put in. Sean, do you have anything that would work?
Yeah, I got spacers. Look at these.
Look how much space they have.
Whoa.
You need the gauntlet to put these in, right? Like Thanos.
There you go, yeah.
Oh no, I lost the spacers.
Oh no.
Oh, there goes the planet.
Thank you, good sir. And so with these spacers, I'm able to just replace this bolt and the bracket will go on there. I've already done this side, I'll show you what it looks like on the other side. All right, next up I'm gonna remove this panel. So I'm gonna take off the 2 top screws, which I need to get anyway, put the spacer in. And then that way I'll be able to run the wires through here and then around this side, over, and then hook it up. Now we're just gonna put it all back together. Should be easy. And then for this last one, we'll just drop the spacer in here. Install the bracket. Again, I'm gonna leave everything pretty loose. We're gonna adjust it tonight out on the trail. So I'll adjust everything and button it up. The plugs already came out on this side. I'm just gonna plug them in, positive, negative, shove all the wires in here. Again, I'm going to be trying to get that control module, and everything's gonna have to be rewired anyway. So I'm just throwing it in there. I'll zap strap it. And so it's all done. I forgot to mention, these pod lights also have the clear lens. I put the yellow ones on, or the amber ones on. Comes with the clear ones as well. And I did that because we just came back from a trip where we were so dusted out. I wanted those amber lights. Apparently they help with the dust. I haven't experienced it yet myself, but thanks to Auxbeam, now I have the amber pod lights. Let's see how it cuts through the dust and fog. Let's wait for nighttime. We'll head out to the dirt road, and we'll get them angled right.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're in for an incredible night. Oh, we're taking it up a notch. I can't believe what I'm seeing right now.
All right, so I'm on the dirt road. I adjusted the lights, and I'm pretty happy with them. I can't believe how much more I can see with these lights than with my high beams. And I'll show you exactly what the low beams, the high beams, the aux beams do from the driver's perspective. So this is regular. That's high beams. I'm gonna turn off the high beams now. And then the Auxbeam and the pod lights. Pod lights are kind of hard to see on camera.
I want to thank Auxbeam for believing in our channel. Please do us a favor and check the links in the description to save 15% on your Auxbeam products. It would help us out a lot. Until next time, go away, get lost, and unwind.